Hello guys, welcome to the course Create Your Own Online Branded TV Channel. Okay, so we are using a platform called as VI Loved. Okay, this is going to help you to create your own branded TV channel and embed it anywhere in your website through this embedding feature, right? And I'll teach you how you can create your own online TV channel, how you can set up all the videos. You don't need any kind of video that you have. Also, for example, you can also embed any other people's videos also on your website, and you can use your own logo over here, right? The branded TV channel will look something like this. Okay, for example, now this is a linear TV channel. Okay, there is also something called as an on-demand TV channel. For example, linear TV channel is like 24/7 displaying videos of your brand, and these videos are taken from YouTube and all this video platforms like Vimeo, etc. Now, for example, this is what a linear TV channel will actually look like. Okay, so this comes along with your logo, with social sharing buttons. Okay, and it also comes with audio mute or not option. Okay, for example, this is the online TV channel. For example, there is also this on-demand TV channel. For example, on-demand content would be something like you can skip the videos. For example, you can go to the next video by skipping it here, and this is kind of a video on demand where you can find out more about this in the course. I'll be teaching you more on this. Okay, so regarding this VI Loud, that helps you to embed all these videos from any platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or HTML5 video, right? So you can embed it anywhere. Okay, they also have an option to make a TV app for the smart TV ecosystem also. So that means you can, for Apple TV or any kind of say smart TV, they are going to make you an app and provide the same. Okay, but that's however paid. And if you want to create unlimited channel, that is a paid option, but one channel is completely free for you. But if you want to add your logo, that's paid. There are also different kinds of platforms like VI Loud. Examples of those platforms are Stream TV, Simple TV, Web TV, etc., etc. But I would suggest you to use VI Loud because it's a tremendous platform that helps you to set up your own video channel in less than 5 minutes. Okay, they have the different plans out there. You can so this plan comes with no watermark feature. This is a business plan. Okay, so other than that, you can do anything that you want in the free plan. Okay, you'll get analytics, you can import a huge YouTube playlist, and you can add the social sharing buttons comes along with it, live streaming, HLS, RMTP dash for IPTV, and all this live streaming that you can do, responsive HTML5 player, and unlimited videos. Okay, so custom branding comes with a pro feature. Okay, so I'll teach you how you can use VI Loud. Okay, I'm nowhere associated with VI Loud, but I've used VI Loud in the past for my website, and it has worked out really good. People have come and gone through all the videos from my website, and I've got a lot of views. Okay, so let's dive right in. Okay, and let's see how VI Loud could benefit your business, how you can create your own online branded TV channel with VI Loud. Okay, let's go. Okay, please enroll in the course. We'll proceed further. See you on the other side.